Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be making a gingham top. So I saw a top on Pinterest and I really liked the style of it, so I said I'll try to recreate it using some gingham pillowcases I found at the thrift store. So this is what they look like, and they're just a really cute small gray gingham fabric. Then to make the top, I have two patterns I found that I think will work nicely together. The first one I have is this simplicity pattern, and I think the long sleeves will be really good to recreate the top. Then the other one is a different simplicity pattern, and this one I really like the way the body looks for the two first tops, so I think I may be able to use that to create the top. I'm excited, so let's start sewing. To start off, I cut up the pattern pieces, but I ended up not using the bodice pattern that I talked about before. To start off, I pinned the two bodice pieces together and sewed them in place. Then I pinned half of the upper bodice to the half of the lower bodice. Then I sewed that in place. Then I did the same thing for the other side. Then I hemmed both of the long ends of the rectangle that's going to be used for the back bodice piece. Then I drew water erasable blue lines where I wanted shirring to be. I then sheared my fabric. Then I pinned the sheared back piece to the front bodice piece right sides together. Then I sewed in place. Next, I made a casing for the shoulder of the sleeve. Then I folded the sleeve in half and pinned it in place and sewed along the edge right sides together. Then on the bottom edge of the sleeve, I rolled up the hem so I could fit elastic through it. Then I measured a piece of elastic that measured nicely around my wrist and cut 2 of them in the same side. Then I put the elastic in the casing. Then I pinned the underarm of the sleeve to the bodice. And sewed in place. Next, I put elastic in the shoulder seam. Then I hemmed the top edge of the bodice. I also hemmed the bottom edge. And now the top is complete. I'm very happy with the way it turned out. If you liked this video and want to see more like it, please subscribe.